just want to show you a bit of kit what I've come across by these ClipaCore. Now if you've got one of these drills, which is a Makita, they've now bought a chuck adapter here. So all you have to do is put a 17mm spanner on there, knock that down with a hammer, and then take this off here, like that, and now you can screw that directly onto there if you've got the ClipaCore kit, which I think is absolutely fantastic. That'll tighten up. But they've also brought out an attachment. Now the attachment is this. We all know for a flue snug it's 152 bit. So you screw that into there, like that. That goes all the way down. Like that. And then what you do, put the spring into there, and you screw your normal one on top of that, and you just screw that up until it touches the spring, and then that's it. And then that will fit in a normal flue size, and then extend it for your flue snug. And that then, well, if you've got the extension bar, there's that just clips with the clip onto your core drill. And I just think that's an absolutely fantastic thing. That'll change everything, just makes it so much more simpler to do it. So that's it. So that's the ClipaCore Duocut, which is that attachment with a spring. And that other one is the Chuckaway. So that's a Chuckaway. That one's I think they do it